My beloved subscribers, welcome back on our channel again. We are here with the next video. For those who are here for the first time, go check our previous video where we were raising this beautiful timber frame construction on our brick house. And today, as you know, we are going to continue. But first, we need to clean the mess. Finally, all this area is clear, but I need to really figure out, make it nice and clean again. So at first, what we are going to do today, really little cleaning, make it nice here, you know, again the open area, and get rid of this trash. So my friends, what I was able to clean, it's clean. The pallets we will transport by tractor. I need to wait for my father, then we will move everything to the one pile and transport it out of the property. And yeah, now the plan is I'm going to do the decking on the top of the ceiling, just a temporary one. I have planks here already. It's like a 2.5 meters by 125, and I'm going to really apply them on the top to create a technical decking. It won't be final one, because the final one will be done with the dry planks, beautiful sanded like real wood. This is just temporary to be able to work on the top and build the second floor. My friends, so the plates are up. My friends helped me to put it up, and now I'm going to really do and screw it, the deck on the top. Again, I'm not going to cut it and nicely fit it. I'm going to just cover the whole top, then to put, I don't know, maybe some foil to prevent the rain or something like that, and yeah, we'll see what will be next.
Working like a dog, day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and Jesus whiskey, and you're right next to me, singing, hey honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why you're gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do. Heaven knows that you put your time into it. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose. Well, let's get one thing straight, it ain't about what you do for me. Well, I'm gonna love you, and I love you loving me. honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey, honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do, yeah. Coming home, I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, coming home.
My friends, so the deck is almost done. Not absolutely. This is the spot where I will finish the whole stairs and the timbers. I need to also do something with them. I will show you next time. And also I'm missing plates for this part of terrace. So this I will finish next time. But anyhow, I think it's quite nice place. I think ready to build a second floor, yeah. As I already mentioned, this plate won't be here. This is just a temporary to really have a comfort and space to work. Good morning, guys. Today we have already quite freezing weather. Ice is everywhere. It was like I guess -5 degrees. And yeah, we are back. Today, finally, we have a ceiling decked. As you can see, I use this OSB plate all around the ceiling, also inside. Just a little spot here is still visible because this will be placed for a staircase. And what I'm going to do today, I'm going to apply, I have like a huge PVC pieces. I would like to give them on the top and prevent the moisture will fall inside of the house. Yeah, will be quite nice preparation for a winter, for a snowy weather, also the rain. So we'll see how it will go. So, ladies and gentlemen, finally we have a ceiling, temporary one. So the rain is not our problem anymore. And today I'm going to really finish such a stuff to tighten these bolts because it was loosened, to really be able to put it in the pole. And then also the whole construction of the ceiling on the top is still not touching the wall, so I'm going to lower by 3 centimeters every single pole and make a tight connection on the ceiling. guys, and here we are. Look, winter hit us really hard. So I really think it was not my plan, but I really think according the condition outside, that's it from this year. We won't be able to continue in construction work, but no worries, we will continue at the spring in 2026 as soon as there won't be snow, there won't be freezing weather, because we need to start with the construction of second floor and with the roof. So guys, see you in a few months.